blue and pink, and we have an announcement. Someone has asked us to do a challenge to see if we can chug this 2-liter thing of pop and Chug Dr. Pepper. Now, we have a surprise for you. The first 5 people to message us with an idea for a video, well,
first of all, if we finish, okay, we have a challenge for y'all too. If we finish this if we don't finish this in 2 minutes, y'all, the first 5 contestants that type it to us, saying a challenge.
Like a video idea. We'll do it.
We'll do it.
First 5 people.
No matter what it is.
Yep, we'll message you back.
Well, we're not gonna jump off a roof, but
like no jumping off roofs. No, nothing.
Nothing that'll kill us, pretty much. Yeah.
And nothing with like nude shots.
Yeah.
No.
Little FYI person who sent that.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all ready?
Because I get messages from people saying like, oh, I think burping girls are hot.
Ready, set, go.
I know. Crap, I'm so bad at chugging. Haley's gonna kick my butt.
And I'm gonna start chugging. Okay.
No, wait, don't pour yet. Don't pour yet. Don't let the bubbles stay somehow. Ready,
set, go.
I got it in my pants.
My brain. Ow, 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 ow.
My throat stings.
Ow, ow, ow.
Keep going. Pour it. Go. Oh,
Too much.
there you go. There it is. Ready? Go. Ow, I think I'm gonna puke. Nice.
Can't do anymore. Cheater!
My stomach. Give me a minute. I got it in my pants in the first round. Look at. Oh God. I gotta burp. Monster burp.
I can't drink anymore.
That wasn't very monster.
Okay, guys.
Okay, y'all.
We can't drink anymore.
We lost.
So it looks like we lost. And
Okay, start messaging right now.
Go.
Okay,
first 5. Remember.
We'll message you back and tell you if you won.
Okay. And if you won, text us back, and you can send us whatever you want.
Yeah. Y'all, this is harder than you think. Try it yourselves and message us.